I think it's the third wave.
Yeah, okay.
It starts at the third wave.
Oh yeah.
Giant medics. Oh man, those guys hurt. Thanks, man.
Oh, they're going through the middle. Okay.
Ah!
Okay, I think that's all the crossbow medics.
Cool.
Oh, no, wait.
There's more.
There's more? Oh, there's a ton more.
Don't panic, it's fine.
Bomb behind, bomb behind.
Bomb
Guys over
behind.
Bomb.
Bomb behind.
I'm about to get blocked! Remember me! They camped my
Fall back to the hatch, fall back to the hatch.
Back to the hatch, everyone.
It's because people didn't fucking kill the Kritzkrieg medic in time.
Just kill him harder! Just got that wrong.
I can't see, I'm just shooting.
The bomb is almost to the
Block them, you cannot air blast them. Block them.
The bomb!
bomb is about to be deployed.
The fucking skunts, man, the skunts.
Kill the Kritzkrieg, kill the Kritzkrieg, kill the Kritzkrieg, kill the Kritzkrieg, kill the Kritzkrieg. Kritzkrieg first, Kritzkrieg first.
The rockets are here!
Frick, keep up!
Oh, this might be close, this might be close. They're too fucking cornered.
Get the medic, keep him away!
Crossbow, crossbow, crossbow!
Keep him away!
Kill the giant bonk scout, alright, kill the giant bonk scout.
Bonk scout, bonk scout. No more crossbow medics.
Phew. Okay.
But there's still Kritzkrieg medics.
Oh, frick me.
You got 2 bonk scouts coming in. They're being blocked by a singular spy.
Nice, bud.
Block one, block him.
Alright, no more bonk scouts.
Nice. No more box scouts. Let's go. Oh, frick! I didn't see the soldiers.
Incoming!
Thank you, medic.
Remember, well, first kill
giant
these
demo.
demos. Remember, kill the Kritzkrieg, kill the Kritzkrieg. Don't kill the heavy earth now, kill the Kritzkrieg.
I'm trying. It's so laggy.
Kill the heavy, kill the heavy.
He said!
I'm dead. We got another Kritzkrieg medic and heavy.
Demos first.
I saw that old man. Oh my god.
It.
Kritzkrieg, Kritzkrieg.
I am rubber banding.
Many thanks.
Giant heavy.
Come on. Nice.
Demos.
Oh, frick.
One more
Demos.
crit medic.
Kritzkrieg, Kritzkrieg.
All the demo are gone. Get the Kritzkrieg medic.
All the demo is just those 2 giants and 2 pyros. Last pair.
Okay, now
Okay.
get him. Frick.
This is gonna be a problem.
have a bonus.
Okay, I can see why this is a problem.
Mini Argos.
There's a lot of